Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are keeping good health and are happy. Today we are going to discuss about profit maximization. It is mentioned in class 12 and chapter number 2. First we will discuss about profit. Now what is profit? Profit means a financial gain, especially the difference between the amount earned and the amount spent in buying, operating, and producing something. Profit in accountancy is excess of revenue over all paid out costs. Profit in economics is termed as a pure profit or economic profit or just profit. Here I have mentioned short run or long run process by which a firm may determine the price, input and output levels that lead to the highest profit. In other words, profit maximization is when business firms undergo to ensure the best output and price levels are achieved in order to maximize its returns. A businessman and enterprises determine strategies to make more profit with lower expenditures. Next is the golden rule of profit maximization. It is a firm should produce the output at which MR is equal to MC. MR is marginal revenue and MC is marginal cost. A firm should produce the quantity at which marginal revenue equals marginal cost for all market structures for profit maximization. Profit maximization quantity and price can be determined by setting marginal revenue equal to 0, which occur at the maximum level of output. Marginal revenue equals 0 when total revenue curve has reached its maximum. For example, if a company starts to use cheaper products or decide to raise prices as a way to maximize profit, as a coin has two sides. Similarly, profit maximization has two effects. In this condition, it can be good for company because company will get maximum profit, but it can be bad for consumer because they will get cheap products. Here I have mentioned about marginal revenue. Marginal revenue is the revenue gained by producing one additional unit of a product or service. For example, if a company is producing 10 units for 200 rupees, if he is going to produce 11th unit, then the cost of 11th unit will be marginal cost and the money spent or the resources used to produce the 11th product will be known as marginal revenue. Now next is the explanation. Here shown in the figure, in short run or long run process by which a firm may determine the price, input and output levels that leads to the highest profit. Here in the first figure there is an equilibrium point where the profit maximization start. Here MC is equal to MR, which is marginal cost, and MR. They meet on this point. From here profit maximization start. In the below figure, in the first portion of half circle, profit is increasing from left, where MR is greater than MC. It means marginal revenues are increasing than marginal cost. From this point, profit will start decreasing and marginal revenue will be less than marginal cost. So this is the explanation of profit maximization and total profit. So students, I hope you have understood the criteria of profit maximization. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. God bless you all. Thank you.